What's up, what's up, what's up? Hello, hello, hello. I know you've probably never seen me with a hat on, but I didn't want to touch my hair, so I knew I had to put it back some way. Anyways, so we are going to make some keto fudge. I have keto fudge already made, and so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like finished. We're going to try it, and then we're going to decide which recipe we should do, and then we'll do it live. Because I want to make sure that the one I give you guys is going to be the better of the two. I was going to make 3, and I was going to let you guys, or I was going to choose from 3 different ones, but we couldn't find the sugar-free peppermints, so I will have to go on a little hunt for those later. Hello, hello, hello. We grabbed the other fudge out of the fridge. So I went ahead and made 2 batches of fudge. I made a regular and I made a peppermint fudge.
Caught it.
Gabby almost threw it in the garbage can.
It's not true.
Why does it have that weird, like, swirl in it right there?
I don't know.
All right. So we are going to try and then figure out which one we want to do with you guys live, which one is the better of the 2, or I'm going to figure out which one is the better of the 2. So this one is literally chocolate, peanut butter, and coconut oil. Can you not breathe so dang heavy? What? It's okay. It just tastes kind of like coconut oil. And then this one is a peanut butter, or excuse me, is chocolate peanut butter, and then it has vanilla and peppermint in it. So it's super.
I like that one better.
It's thick, guys. Holy cow.
I need some water.
It's thick. But I think this one is definitely the better of the 2. Because
Don't get me wrong, they're both good eating.
the other one's good. But this one is more chocolate. It definitely needs more peppermint in it, so I'll put more peppermint in it. But it's definitely better. That one's definitely better. Okay, so grab a cupcake thing, and then I think Logan might have used the rest of them. Oof, that's not good. Well, there's those. Line that with what's left. Okay, so now that the dogs are going to start barking, over a double boiler, you should do 1.5 cups of chocolate chip, keto chocolate chips. With the ones that I made earlier, I did semi-sweet, so these ones are going to be dark chocolate. So you're just going to do 1.5 cups of, or excuse me, 1.5 cups of chocolate. And then you're going to do 3/4 cup. I did peanut butter. The recipe was originally for almond butter. So if you want to use almond butter, you can. You just need a smooth nut butter.
The baby's coming.
Oh, I heard him. I heard that. I heard it. It's coming. Watch out.
Child.
So 1.
What are you doing?
2.
What are you doing, kid? He said, peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
So if you guys are joining us live, that little red live button is up there in the corner. That means you're live with us right now. Let us know live down in the comments, where are you guys coming in from? How was your Thursday?
Are we using
Your
these?
week is almost officially over. I then lost my spatula. Can you give me a... Let us know where you're coming in from. How was your Thursday? Oh, jeez. Watch out. I have a training that starts tomorrow and it goes all weekend long, so it will be a long couple of days.
Go. Upstairs.
So you want to do you want to do this over a double boiler. I couldn't find my pan, so I'm kind of improvising, y'all. So it is what it is, but you want to do it over a double boiler, and it literally does not take very long, like super, super fast. And you just want to melt it. And then once it's melted, which, I mean, you guys can see it's already happening really, really quickly. Then you're going to add in the vanilla and the peppermint. I'm definitely going to do more peppermint this time because you really couldn't taste the peppermint in it. And it said to do, I feel like I have chocolate on my hand. It said to do 2 drops of peppermint extract and then a half a teaspoon of vanilla. I think I'm going to actually double both of those because it needed more of both in my opinion. So I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and it said to do 2 drops, but my peppermint doesn't have a dropper, and I was going to use the dropper from my, what are these things? My sweet drops, but I was like, you know what? I'm just going to pour it in. So I will pour in a little bit, or maybe I'll measure it. Maybe I'll measure it so you guys can know. And then, we'll go from there. But it's, oh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. There you go. Now you can see. So literally just doing this, you should be doing it over a double boiler. I'm literally just doing it over some boiling hot water. You gotta improvise, people. You gotta improvise. So it mixes really easy. So you're gonna do 1.5 cups of keto chocolate, whatever keto chocolate you want to use. If you want to use Bake Believe, you can. If you wanted to, instead of using the peppermint, is that gonna boil? No. If you wanted to do this, if you wanted to not use the peppermint extract and you wanted to use the peppermint chocolate chips, you could do that. Hello from Bonnie Lake. Hey, we're just down the hill from you. All right. So that is nicely melted. I'm gonna turn this off. Gabby, will you maybe cut some of this paper for these other cupcakes so it doesn't stick?
What?
Just cut some squares. What do you mean? Like out of this paper in there, cut some squares for those. Because otherwise it's going to be I'm super blind.
Get some scissors.
Okay, so we're gonna double the vanilla. So we're going to do 1 whole teaspoon of vanilla because I just think it needs, I think it needs more, it needs more vanilla, y'all. It needs more vanilla. What's in the pot so far is 1.5 cups of chocolate chips and then 3/4 of a cup of nut butter. I used just organic peanut butter. You know what? I'm just 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. If it's too pepperminty, we'll know 1 teaspoon was too much. Okay? We'll know. Alright, I gotta get it out of that. Alright. It starts to harden pretty quickly, so you just have to move kind of fast. Ooh.
Dude, pick up your toys. Excuse me.
Ooh. Does look pretty chunky. Oh, dang it. Does look pretty chunky. These ones might be thicker than the other ones. Since I did a better job of separating the chocolates out. Seriously? Oh, I said squares. This is new. Oh my god. Just forget it.
Those are squares.
Those are rectangles.
Good big squares.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna know. I just put some coconut oil or avocado oil, excuse me, in the tins that don't have wrappers. It's fine. They'll come out just fine. We'll use those ones for taste testing. So if you would have measured them out the right way, the way I did with the first batch, you would have gotten 12 equal little guys, but this one we didn't quite do that. So we got 9, and we're under attack. We're under enemy attack, y'all. Watch out for flying bullets. All right. So let's see. That has way better peppermint flavor, I think. Oh, geez. I think
Kid's gonna get a whooping.
There we go. So they don't look super cute, but here, go put those in the freezer. The first batch turned out really, really good. They just need a little bit more peppermint in them, I think. So I'll put the recipe up for you guys as soon as I end this video, since I already know how it turns out. I did change this last batch. I did up the vanilla extract, and I did 1 whole teaspoon of peppermint extract, which on the recipe it only called for like 2 drops. And I think it needed way more than that. So I will make the adjustments the way I made them with that. Oh my gosh. With, what just happened?
He's throwing marbles.
With,
I'm gonna beat him.
Lord. I will make the adjustments I just made with that second batch, and I'll post the recipe with the adjustments on it for you guys. But that is goodie number 2 out of our, I think it's going to end up being like 15 days of goodies, Christmas goodies. So that's day number 2 or treat number 2 of our Christmas goodies. So come back and join me again tomorrow. I will make you something else. I think, keto crack was what I had planned to do tomorrow. So anyways, come back and join us again. If you guys want more recipes like this, just drop the word recipe down below and I'll get you guys into my keto group. We literally have tons of recipes. And yeah, make sure you're following and follow C first so you never miss a live. And come back and join me again tomorrow. See you.